everyone. We are from Malaysia X Finland Group, and today we are going to talk about Haze.
Air Pollution Index (API) has 5 indications, which is good, moderate, unhealthy, very unhealthy, and hazardous. Good has a low pollution without any bad effect on health, which is below than 50. Moderate pollution that does not pose any bad effect on health, which is 51 until 100, and unhealthy is worsen the health condition of high risk people who is the people with health and lung complication, which is 101 until 200, and very unhealthy is worsen the health condition and low tolerance of physically exercise to people with health and lung complication affect public health, which is 201 until 300, and hazardous is to high risk people and public health, which is indication more than 300.
And why different regions have different effect on the haze? One is geographical area, and because there has been some forest burnings in Indonesia, which is close to Malaysia, the areas closer to Malaysia, and like between Malaysia and Indonesia are of course the places where the haze gets the worst. The other one is southwest monsoon, which is boreal summer monsoon. It's usually during from June to September, when it's the dry period. One of Malaysian climatology, which is largely dominated by the Asian Australian monsoon.
There are 3 reasons of haze. The first one is large scale open burning by our neighboring countries. The second one is gas and smoke released from factories. And the third one is the poor management of peat soil error. And the externalities of haze is, first, health impact. For example, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), asthma, conjunctivitis, low peak respiratory flow rate, especially for kids, and also the economic impact. For example, reduce the tourism earned, cause a lot to countries such as cloud seeding, reduction of plant yield due to limitation of light level.
I want to talk about a policy implication and solution from perspective of planets. So for planets, we used to approach with conservation and maintenance. Alright, the first, for conservation, we can do the cloud seeding, where the rain droplets will mix with a water vapor molecule and will form a clouds. After that, when the form of clouds will be biggest and fall as rain. So as we know, during the haze, the surface of Earth in the high temperature. So when rains will fall in the surface of Earth, the temperature will decrease and the haze will reduce. The second way is how to reduce the haze with maintenance. So for maintenance, we can do reforestation. If someone's cut down the trees, so they will need to do replantation. So as we know, if the number of trees was many, so the temperature at the surface of Earth will decrease. This is because the tree will absorb the molecule of the haze to do the photosynthesis process. So the quantity of haze, like a small molecule, will decrease and the haze will reduce.
For policy implication and solution under people, we can divide into two methods, which is informal and formal. For formal, government can introduce and strengthening the available environmental laws, such by enforcing a higher penalties for those who break the laws. The second is by highlighting the importance of environment in education, in schools and universities to create the awareness on the young generation. And the third one is by building cooperation among the neighboring countries in order to tackle these issues, such as ASEAN countries, so that these countries can pool together their resources, their expertise in solving these issues. By informally, we can promote alternative transportation to people, such as by using public transportation or by carpooling, which is this method can will emit less carbon and more cheaper for the people. The second is by engaging a lot of dialogues, talks and debates on environmental issues, so that government can include the society's point of views and opinion to solve these issues. And lastly, by campaigning, advertising environmental issues via media social, so that we can reach more and more the youth to come together to solve these issues together across the countries, across the globe. So thank you.